This is gonna be bad. I may have to do sand after church. Hang on, hon, hang on.
I know. Oh. Shh, quiet. Juliana, quiet. I know, that's why when I was walking.
All good here. Yes, I am. Hang on.
Hang on. Don't say that, Jake.
You guys just gotta
Just say the word nicely.
Quiet is your word. Okay?
We don't say daddy.
What do you
Drive safe.
Oh, Joe, we're gonna have to do the bucket and sanding. Yeah.
Start praying, Jake. That's what you should be doing.
All the snow like this is gone. This is all good snow.
We did a 360 in our driveway. And Jake's like...
You may want to text Rochelle and tell her not to leave.